Finally, it's time for you to create a post by adding both caption and hashtags. All you need to do is click the plus button on the bottom center of the screen. Choose your desired content and begin by filtering your picture. There's no right or wrong way to editing and filtering an image. Once you find one suitable for your post, click Next. This is where you need to put more effort on. It's advisable that you caption every post you are going to upload to Instagram. Each image or video must carry a certain value to your content. With it comes the hashtag. Always add hashtag to your post. For example, when you put in hashtag business, a lot of similar hashtags appear. It means that your post will become one of the many posts that contains that particular hashtag. The more hashtags you put, the more likely your post will reach a bigger audience. Additionally, you can multiple share your Instagram post to different social networks. This is optional unless you want to consistently drive traffic between your Instagram and Facebook or the rest of the social network options. Once you've posted your content, if you look up on the hashtag that you've applied for it, for this case it's hashtag business, you can see that your post is amongst other posts with similar hashtags. So keep putting hashtags to your post. It will be found by everyone using Instagram. Just remember to keep updating your profile and be creative when using not only images and videos as your post, but also using Instagram stories, live, and ads.